The keyword of this live, if not video, are the following: seek, failure, try again, don't continue, learning new technology, These are some keywords of this life. But let's resume on our payment thing. So we were trying to redesign our default payments because we thought the better way to manage crisis, or chaos is to anticipate chaos. If you've never anticipated chaos, you'll be surprised by its advance, and whatever happen. An old man gave me an advice that I will never forget. I think I got this advice from a book. I was reading one book. He said, remember, there is no good or bad decision. There is only consequences. Right? So we've taken a decision to provision for the worst case scenario, just in case our system for paying with credit cards or paying with the mobile service ever go down. Now today we're gonna send the email notification after payment, and we will see if I will have enough time to demonstrate that. But before we go ahead and do some coding, let's see what we be working on. So we've checked the coupon key, which is considered like a public key for the special coupon. And I'll remind ourselves that the coupon we are talking about in this case is not a regular coupon where you got a coupon to reduce your price. We are talking about a sort of a special coupon. I wouldn't name that a different name. I wouldn't say that this coupon is now coupon or the actual coupon where people apply the discounts is considered the actual coupon. If we can speak in terms of financial instruments or financial transaction, a coupon is money. Anything that gives you access to get a discount or to transact in a place of money is money, right? Even if you have your frame, your beautiful wall frame, you want to transact for money, at that time it's still a commodity, but by the time you transact that, it becomes money. So we're talking about coupon. We've checked the coupon key. Now we need to check the coupon code. The coupon code is considered the actual coupon record that we need to check before making a payment. As you can see, we've already demonstrated that. We are in the process of demonstrating checking the coupon code before creating a payment. Now, here we are checking the coupon code. As you can see, we check the coupon code, right? And you might ask yourself a question, where are we checking the coupon code? Let me show you where we're checking that. So in our testing, we assume the user already scanned the QR code in alternative payments if the system ever go down on credit card. Since this application will be deployed on a third world country, I hate to use that word, third world country. It will be deployed on a struggling country. So we are expecting a moment where the credit card system may go down, or people that control those API, they may notice that this specific application is receiving batch on transaction. Let's just unplug its API. Let's see what's gonna happen. So you need to have an alternative, because you don't have to be a vendor bound. You don't have to depend on a vendor, because a vendor will always one way or another disappoint. And speaking of the worst case scenario, we are provisioning a coupon payment. So on sealing the coupon, we've received the hash key, the coupon key, which is the URL of the coupon when they scan the QR code. And this simple operation, instead of posting, we've updated that. Now we are patching, which means we're gonna update the coupon record and execute some subsequent operation like updating the coupon is active, the coupon being from expiration being known to expiration false. Now we are checking the coupon code, which is the private key, the actual code that we enable the user to make a payment right here. But I was thinking, instead of provisioning these endpoints, what is the name of the endpoints? This guy here. Instead of using these coupon payments endpoints exclusively for making a one-time payment, why don't we use that for making a subscription payment as well, right? Because a user can make a one-time payment for a specific application, but they can also make a recurrent payment. If the system ever failed, they can use the coupon payment as an alternative method to make the subscription payment. Why not? So instead of having two endpoints that do the same thing, we are going to apply the principle of dry, right? Do not repeat yourself. How? We're gonna use the same endpoint for making both the subscription payments and the one-time payments. For those who are not subscribed but they want to make a payment for their applications in plural. Okay, so what's gonna happen here? We are expecting a user to either send the application number. This one will be optional. How? Let me show us the flow chart. And these flow charts abstract a lot of steps. This is just a high level flow chart of what's gonna happen. So we receive the coupon code from the clients. We check that coupon code exists, and we are not exclusively checking the coupon code because we don't want a smart, a well-educated customer to go generate a random 60-digit code and to try if they will pass to make a payment. We are checking both the user that is logging and the coupon code. If the coupon code exists, as you can see on this step, if it does exist, We continue. We check as does the payload contain an application number? Because we are assuming the user will not only send the coupon code itself, he might send the coupon code with the application number. But at this one, the application number is optional. It's not conditional. It's not compulsory, right? It's optional. And if they ever send the application number, we assume they want to make a one-time application, right? If right, yes. So if the application number doesn't exist, no. Now we assume that they want to make a subscription payment. We create a payment, and we create a subscription payment. We send a notification email, and we end the process right here on end. If the coupon code doesn't exist, I forget to explain this step. If the coupon code doesn't exist, we exit by sending a response 404 coupon code not found. We're gonna do a little bit of customization. We are going to customize that Git object. There is a lot to do, but we will see. Let me show you what are we gonna customize. We are going to customize this guy here, Git object. We wanna reuse him both for getting the application number and getting the application number and getting the coupon. How? Instead of sending not found, just the default not found from the Django HTTP shortcuts HTTP 404, we can customize this to respond accordingly depending on the object we are checking. We do that in a minute. Okay. Now we check the application is the application number exist. If the application number exists, we assume that they want to make a one-time payment. We check the application number. We have to confirm the application number exists, because we don't want to just go assign the application number on our one-time payments. If it doesn't exist, it's going to create an error in the future. So we have to check that. Does this application number exist? Is this the actual application number? If no, we exit. And by exit here, I'm also referring to sending, right? We need to send there is no way I have to, let's just, this is just an annotation so we can know what's gonna happen, to give much more information than basic. Let's copy this guy. Okay. Okay, what are we gonna exit with 404 response? This is just an annotation, so so if the application number exists, yes, we say, oh, this user is making one-time application. We create a payment, we create a one-time payment, and we send a notification. Now let's go start our demonstration and see how far we can get to sending a notification. Okay. Where are we now? We are in English. It was faster for me to write that. Copy. Okay, so your application, we're gonna paste it here. Oh man, did you guys know that I was all this time I was somewhere else? That's crazy. Your application, all this time I was somewhere else. I'm gonna cut this video. Okay, your application has been verified. Okay, votre demande, votre application. Number yeah, okay. Application number. Okay. Cool. That's the text. The email. Oh, we see. Now we need to send the user the email. That being said, we are going to send also the owner. We are also gonna send the owner. Let's go. Let's go back here. Let's go back on the view. Owner. Owner. Owner equal owner. Okay. Let's go back to the view. Owner. Receiver. I'm gonna send the email. Gonna be owner. Of course, owner. Email. What is the signature? Send message. Subject message. One, two. Okay. We need to send why it's not subject message. Okay, it's the second argument. Okay, subject message from. There we go. So this is the email we're gonna send. So we're not gonna verify that, but let's end this video here because I'm making big mistake where I didn't show. I was just hanging somewhere, you know. But this is the way you can send the email. It's pretty simple. Just use the Django email send and then send it, you know. But we've spent a lot of time demonstrating how we can customize this, you know. So what we did here, we customized the get objects. We customize the get objects. We use the get object both for getting the application and getting getting the coupon codes, right? Getting the coupon code. We verify that's the response we are getting. If we are getting a response, we retain the response. We throw that's within found. But if we are not getting the response, if the instance we are getting is not the response, it's in this case it's coupon code. We create a payment. If the application number exists, we send the signal. I'm tired. We send the signal, and in the next video I will go back so I can fix all the error, the fact that I haven't showed how the progress I made. So in next video we talk about making a payment with subscription, right? So in this case we can either use the application number or not using the application number. Even if we remove the application number, we can still create a payment and get this endpoint passing, right? It's still passing. Why it's still passing? Because this is just an alternative. We can use this endpoint for making a payment for subscription, or we can use that also for making a payment for a one-time application. Conditional. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna end this here. I'll see you on the next one. It's been a long video where I didn't plan to spend that much time that long here, but that's what it takes to, you know, to build an application. Yeah, so we're sending an email here, but this email I have to go check on my actual SMTP to see if it's sending email. Let me go on send. Yeah, it sent the email. It sent the email. But I have to use the correct email though. If I use the correct email address, yeah, if I use the correct email address, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna receive that. But I will be back. You know, I've spent a lot of time on this, not even showing you guys as I was making progress. I was just hanging on somewhere using I was somewhere here on this flowchart instead of switching to. It looks like I switched. You know, I'm not sure because I was not seeing that here. So I think I was fine. Was I? Yeah, I think I was fine. Okay. let's enjoy some of my Oli song. I like these songs I'm playing in the background. Yeah, I like that. So what's up? Let's go. It's music. What's wrong with that? It's music. Okay, bye for now.